it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today's video is a collaboration that I am in with my good friend, the lovely Mrs. V over at Saving with Mrs. V. We are going to be bringing you guys some spring DIYs from Dollar Tree. So after this video is over, make sure you go over to her channel and show her some love and tell her I sent you over there. I am going to link her channel down below along with her Instagram because her channel name, Saving with Mrs. V, says it all. She is always posting on her Instagram and letting us know where the best bargains and deals are at all of our favorite stores like Target, Hobby Lobby, Walmart, anywhere that there is something that is going for dirt cheap. You best believe Mrs. V knows about it. And she makes fabulous DIYs, so make sure you go over and see what she has in store for you after this video. Let's get started. Okay, for this first DIY, we're going to be utilizing one of these Dollar Tree candle holders. They had these a while back. They have various types that are like this. It has a wider base and a wider top on it. We're also going to be using one of the glass candle holders. We have two of these votive candle holders with this particular pattern on them for this DIY. They have these in different colors. It doesn't matter which color you get because you are going to be painting it. You may or may not be able to use lights with it once it's painted if it's a darker color than the clear. And they also have that pattern on a larger jar with a lid, so if you find that, you can use that too. However, this one I think is a better shape for it. We have various paints. I have some chalk paint. I have some acrylic paints that we're going to be utilizing. I have chevron ribbon that is the burlap from Dollar Tree. I also have some of this new foliage in the fern. I have some already in a bag that I will be using. And we need a little reindeer moss. So let's get to crafting. The first thing you're going to want to do is take your glass here and we are going to cover that with some reindeer moss. I covered everything but the center of this plate, and we're going to set that aside now. And then we are going to take the votives that we have and we're going to paint them yellow on the outside. Okay, I stippled this on all the way around both of them, and we're going to let that dry, and then we're going to come back in with a little bit of brown paint in a couple of areas, and then a little bit of green and brown paint mixed in a couple of areas. So we're going to let those dry now. Now I'm going to take our candlestick and we're going to paint that. Okay, now we're going to take the yellow photos and we're going to take a little bit of the green and a little bit of the brown, and we're just going to try to tap some on the high points. done with the painting and everything is dried, and as you can see, I painted these to look like pineapples, and I went ahead and painted the edge all the way around the glass candle holder because it was just too bright with nothing on it, and I added some green to the base. I know it looks a little crazy, but when we get done, it should look a whole lot better. So normally I would turn this upside down and glue this to it, but since it has all the moss on it and I don't want it to fall off, we're going to glue it just as is. So we're going to use my big glue gun and use some Gorilla Glue sticks and glue this down so it stays. Are my final projects, and I have to say, not only are they festive, but they are so much fun. When I went to Dollar Tree and I saw these tea light holders, I knew they would make the perfect pineapples, so that is exactly what I decided to do here. And the succulents that they have make the perfect toppers. How great was that? Everything you see here is from Dollar Tree, from the candle stand all the way through the greenery and everything, and the little tea lights. Those actually are to use underwater, but I put them in here because I like the brightness of the white. I know these might be coming off a little green to you on camera, but believe me, it is yellow. It looks like a pineapple and I love it. Also, as you can see, your girl added some butterflies because I'm in love with those die cut butterflies, and so they'll be making some appearances here and there. Now the one that is sitting down and not on the stand has a butterfly and it's just leaning up against it, and so is that piece of greenery that's under there. Neither one of those are attached because I think it might be a little much, but you know me, I'm extra. I'll probably leave it. 3 butterflies, that's not bad. I don't think so anyway. Now, if you cannot find the candle holder that's holding up the pineapple, the stand part of it, you can use one of the heavy duty margarita glasses that Dollar Tree has too, and you can still get everything at Dollar Tree. So that is it. I want to thank Mrs. V so much for collabing with me. If she hadn't invited me to do this, I don't even know if I would have came up with this project. So thank you so much, Mrs. V. Also, remember, I will have her channel linked down in the description below. Please go by, show her some love, tell her I sent you there. I'm also going to link her Instagram because she gives the best bargain deals over there. You will not want to miss out on some of the things that she finds, so you can run out and get them yourselves. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching and liking and always sharing my videos. And if you are not a member here at Lacee Space, I don't know why not. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button, become a member, hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. We make a lot of cool things like this here. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it's spelled here. And I will catch all of you in my next video. Bye, loves.